This video will give you an introduction to the Dewey Decimal System, which is the way that most libraries are organized. First of all, the Dewey Decimal Classification System, or the DDC, was created by a man named Melville Dewey in the late 1800s. He was a librarian who thought that we needed to have a consistent way for all libraries to be organized so it was easier to find books. So now that system is widely used by libraries all over the world to organize their books. Now we're going to watch a video that explains the Dewey Decimal Classification System.
Hey, we are looking for certain books in the library. Do you know how we can find them? Yes, the library has a system in place called the Dewey Decimal System to help you find any book you want. You just have to be a library detective. Wait, the what? The Dewey Decimal System. Don't worry, it's easy. Follow me, you'll see. Melville Dewey invented the Dewey Decimal System to help students and people find the books they needed. It was so good when he invented it in 1876 that it has lasted for over 140 years. It is still the system that all libraries use today. Melville Dewey decided to put books into 10 different categories, and he gave each category a number in the hundreds, from the zeros to the 900s. The zeros are general knowledge and fun facts, like weird but true books. 100s are philosophy and psychology. 200s are all about religion. 300s are all about our society, like manners. 400s are different languages. 500s are science, like space and animals. 600s are technology, like cars. 700s are arts and recreation, like jokes and poems. 800 is literature, and 900 is history and geography. So nonfiction books are organized in number order by subject. Yep, that easy. That's the Dewey Decimal System. Wait, fiction books are different. Fiction books are organized alphabetically by the author's last name, not by subject, not by number. So wait, we know that non-fiction books are in number order and fiction books are alphabetized by author's last name. But how do we find the books we want? Just use a call number. A call number is a combination of letters and numbers found on the spine of a book that tells you where to find books in the library. You read them line by line. The first line in blue shows you the section the book is in. The second line is made up of 3 letters that shows the first 3 letters of the author's last name. Call numbers are the same for fiction and non-fiction books. Once you know the call number, you just have to find it on the shelf. Books are arranged on the shelf from left to right on each shelf and from top shelf to bottom shelf. What books will you find using the Dewey Decimal System and call numbers?
Okay, now we're going to stop from the videos for a second, and on the back of your passport, I want each of you to write one thing you learned about the Dewey Decimal System or about finding books in the library. So everybody's going to write something without talking to other people. Then after everybody has had a chance to write something down, take turns telling each other what you have learned. Then you'll start the video again and go on to the next page. So right now, go ahead and pause the video on this page so you have a chance to write down one thing you learned and then talk about it with your group. Now we have one more video to watch about the Dewey Decimal System.
Hi, my name is Bill Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How do you do everywhere. Books scattered everywhere. Books over here, books over there, books everywhere. Man, I swear, so I said there needs to be organization in the library. Choose numbers 1, 2, 3 and name that system after me. My name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. Hi, my name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. My Dewey Decimal System classifies information, son. My Dewey Decimal System organizes information, son. My Dewey Decimal System is so very easy to use. My Dewey Decimal System. Here is what you got to do. Say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Generalities like bibliography. Say 100, 100. Philosophy, psychology. Say 200, 200. Religion like the Bible. Say 300, 300. Social sciences like political science. Say 400, 400. Language like Spanish. Say 500, 500. Natural sciences like astronomy. Say 600, 600. Technology like engineering. Say 700, 700. Artistic stuff like photography. Say 800, 800. Literature like French literature. Say 900, 900. Geography, history. My name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. Hi, my name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. But Melville, can you tell me where to find info on sharks, please? Yeah, I can. No problem. I type it into my computer and kablam! 597.3 sharks. But Melville, can you tell me where to find info on Italian recipes? Yeah, I can. No problem. I type it into my computer and kablam! 641.8 Italian recipes. But Dewey, can you tell me where to find info on the Titanic, please? Yeah, I can. No problem. I type it into my computer and kablam! 910 Titanic history. My name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. Hi, my name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library. Hi, my name is Mr. Dewey. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? If you need info, you know where to go. Go to your library.
All right, now as a group, you don't have to write anything down, but just as a group, talk about 4 things the teacher told you about how books are arranged. So let each other know what you learned from that second video. Go ahead and pause the video now and talk about what you've learned, and then you can go on to the next page when you're done. And finally, you have completed the Dewey Decimal video, so go ahead and check that off on your passport and find a book or magazine to read if you need something extra to do.